What if I told you our sun is already dying? Right now, as you watch this, nuclear reactions deep in its core are counting down to a catastrophe that will erase Earth from existence. And the most terrifying part? We know exactly when it happens. This isn't some distant science fiction scenario. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory has been tracking changes in our star's behavior that point towards an inevitable collapse. And recent discoveries about similar stars in our galaxy reveal a pattern we can't ignore. The clock started ticking 4.6 billion years ago, and we're about to enter the final chapters. Right now, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every single second. That's the fuel keeping us alive. But here's where it gets terrifying. In about 5 billion years, that hydrogen will run out. And when it does, our star will undergo changes so violent they'll rewrite the solar system. But wait, it gets crazier, because the real danger starts long before the fuel runs dry. As hydrogen depletes, the sun's core will contract while its outer layers expand dramatically. Within just a few 100 million years, it will swell to 100 times its current size. Mercury will be vaporized first, then Venus. But here's the shocking part. Earth's fate hangs in a cosmic balance. Some calculations show our planet might just survive being engulfed, but the surface will become a 2,500-degree hellscape. And that's just the beginning of the nightmare. Picture this. The oceans boiling away in minutes, mountains melting like wax, the atmosphere stripped away by solar winds. The last sunrise will be a blood-red disk filling half the sky. But here's what most people don't realize. The expansion phase creates unpredictable solar flares that could sterilize Earth long before the actual engulfment. We're talking about bursts of radiation so intense they'd cook our planet from 93 million miles away. And the most disturbing discovery? This process has already begun at a microscopic level. After consuming the inner planets, the sun will collapse into a white dwarf, but not before one last spectacular display. It will eject its outer layers in a beautiful but deadly planetary nebula that will glow for 10,000 years. This cosmic artwork will be visible across the galaxy. But here's the twist that changes everything. Recent observations show our sun might not produce a typical nebula at all. Some scientists believe it could create something far more unusual, and we'll get to that shocking possibility in just a moment. The sun's final form will be a white dwarf, an Earth-sized diamond made of crystallized carbon, glowing with residual heat for trillions of years. But here's the most mind-blowing part. This white dwarf will continue to influence the solar system. Jupiter and Saturn might survive, their moons becoming potential habitats warmed by the dwarf's faint glow. And recent simulations suggest something even more incredible. Complex molecules necessary for life could reform in this new environment. The solar system might get a second chance at life, just not as we know it. Here's the revelation that changes everything. We've been looking at this timeline all wrong. The sun's death isn't a single event. It's a cascade of catastrophes that begin not in billions of years, but within the next 100 million. As the sun brightens by 1% every 100 million years, Earth will become uninhabitable long before the red giant phase. The complex life we know today has maybe 500 million years left at most. Our star's death sentence was signed at its birth, and every sunrise we see is literally counting down to the end.
So what does this mean for humanity's future? Could we survive by moving to Mars or the outer moons? Or is our destiny tied to Earth's inevitable fate? If you want to explore more cosmic mysteries that will change how you see the universe, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because in our next video, we're revealing something even more shocking, evidence that our solar system has already died once before. Until then, keep looking up while you still can.